Hey, Natasha, this next question comes in from Lisa. And Lisa is asking, hi, Natasha, can probiotics be taken with antibiotics?
Yes, my recommendation for the last 40 years has been that take your antibiotic dose, and 2 hours after the antibiotic dose, take a Healthy Trinity, Healthy Start Kit, or a true probiotic. Because what you need to do, even though the antibiotic is killing a lot of things, there's what we call vacancies on the intestinal wall. And we don't want those vacancies to be filled by something we don't like. So every time you take an antibiotic dose, 2 hours afterwards, you take a probiotic by Natren, either Healthy Trinity or Healthy Start. And then when you finish the dose, and it's very important for you to finish that dose, that's how we get antibiotic resistant bacteria. You start doubling up with your probiotic regimen for a week to make sure that all of those parking spaces on your 27 feet of intestinal wall is covered by friendlies and not by the baddies.
Well said. And Lisa, thank you for submitting your question. We always love and accept them all, and we'll answer them live here on the show. So thank you, Lisa, and thank you to everybody who has submitted your questions in the past. Keep them coming, and we'll see you next week. Take care. Thank you, Natasha.
Thank you, guys.